Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up a Wix account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find the option to log in and get started. If it's the first time we're going to create your account, go ahead and click on get started. Once you do that, right here, you're going to be in the sign up page. So right here, you can enter your email. You need to confirm your email, then choose a password and confirm your password. You can also continue using your Google account or your Facebook account. After that, click on sign up. And then once you sign up to your account, you're going to be taken to Wix homepage. Once you're in Wix homepage, you need to go here to the top. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder. And right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. So in order to create your first site, go ahead and click on create new site. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once you're here, you can either choose to work with Wix Studio or the normal Wix editor. So I'm going to start with the Wix editor. And then, as you can see, guys, right here, you can either set up your site without a chat or set it up with an AI chat. So I'm going to click on setup without a chat. And then they're going to ask you what type of website do you want to create. So once you're here, go ahead and search for what type of website you want to create. For example, I'm going to add a restaurant site and then click on continue. As you can see, guys, your dashboard is being prepared. So just wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, this is how it would look like. So once you're here, choose a name for your business. So after that, click on continue. And then they're going to ask you to choose the apps you'd like to add. Continue. And then you're all set. Continue to dashboard. Your dashboard is being updated. And then you can go here to design site. Then you can either generate a design with AI or customize a template. So I'm going to pick a random template. For example, I'm picking this one. Click on edit. And then your Wix editor will be loading. So once you're here in the Wix editor, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need to customize and design your site. And once you finish designing your site, click on publish and then you're going to go live. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.